Good morning, students. We are continuing our lesson. Lesson number 7. Time goes on. Already we have completed the true story of Pedki Devi. Today we are going to learn one day in the life of Kusum on page number 110, that is 110. So please take out your textbook, take page number 110. You can see one day in the life of Kusum. Let's see what Kusum does every day. Write down the time for each picture. For some pictures the time is already written and you must draw the hands on the clock. In others you have to write the time shown by the clock. Okay. So here it is about the life of Kusum, that is one day in the life of Kusum. How she spent a day, that is the session about. Okay. So here let's see what Kusum does every day. We can see what she is doing every day. You can see this is Kusum. First one, Kusum gets up early in the morning. So like you, Kusum also get up very early in the morning. You can see in the clock, the time given here in the clock. What is the time? The small needle is on 6 and the big needle is on 12. So what is the time? The time here is 6 o'clock. So you can write here at 6 o'clock. So by what time Kusum get up in the morning? She get up by 6 o'clock in the morning. So in the space provided here you have to write at 6 o'clock. Okay, because in the clock it is shown the time 6 o'clock. Now next is she brings water from the well. See, you can see here she is taking water from the well. So she brings water from the well. What is the time written here? It's given here at 6:30 in the morning. By 6:30 she go and take water from the well, but it is not shown in the clock. So you have to show the time in the clock. 6:30 means the big needle will be on 6, and as it is 6:30 the small needle will be little far from the 6, not near the 7. Exactly in between 7 and 6 you have to draw the small needle exactly in between. So the measurement from 7 and 6 should be correct. That means exactly at the center you have to draw the small needle. The small needle should be small and the big one should reach near at the 6. So you have to draw the needle in the clock. Next one, you can see here she cleans her house. By what time she cleans her house? You can see here in the clock it is given 7:30. So by what time she cleans her house? She cleans her house by 7:30. So write here at 7:30 in the morning. In the words you have to write here in the blank provided at 7:30 in the morning. You can see here first at 6 o'clock she woke up. Then after that by 6:30 she brings water from the well. After that she cleans the house by 7:30 in the morning. And after that she goes to school. After cleaning the house she will, by 8 o'clock what she will do? She will go to school. So you have to draw the clock here. Small needle should be at 8 and the big one should be at 12. You know how to draw a clock. You have already learned. So by 8 o'clock what she will do? She will go to school. Now take the next page. She is studying in the school. Look, she is studying at the school. Which book she is studying? She is studying Math Magic. So that is the back spirit, and she is studying in the school. By what time? The time given here is 10 o'clock. You can see here the small needle is on 10 and the big one on 12. So what is the time? The time is 10 o'clock. You can write here at 10 o'clock. Now next picture shows that she comes back from school. So after school hours she is returning back to home from the school. By what time? It's given the time here 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So by 1 o'clock she comes back from the school. So that you have to show in the clock. One small needle in 1 and big one at 12. So by what time she will come back from school? She will come back from school by 1 o'clock in the afternoon. you have to draw the needles in the clock. Next one, she takes lunch with her brother and grandmother. So after returning from school, she will have her lunch. With whom? She have her lunch with her grandmother and brother. By what time? You can see in the clock what is the time given. The small needle is at 2 and the big one 12. So what is the time? The time is 2 o'clock. So write at 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock what she do? She will have lunch with her brother and grandmother. After that she plays with her friends. By what time? The time is given here 5:30 in the evening. So you have to show here 5:30 in the clock. 5:30 means the big needle will be at 6 and it is 5:30. So after 5 and before 6, that is exactly in between 5 and 6, you have to draw the small needle, that is 5:30. Half past 5, that is 5:30. Exactly in between 5 and 6, you have to draw the small needle. So what is the time? 5:30 in the evening. What she is doing? She will play with her friends. After that, at 9 o'clock, what she is doing? She listens to a story from her grandmother before she sleep. So at night, 9 o'clock, before she goes to sleep, she will listen to the story told by her grandmother. Her grandmother will tell her a new story every day and she listens to the story before she go for sleep. By what time she listens to the story from her grandmother? By 9 o'clock at night, and after that she will sleep. After listening to the story, she will sleep. So this is the one day in the life of Kusum. One day she will do like that. A day passes like this. So first what happened? Let us see. By 6 o'clock, at 6 o'clock in the morning, Kusum woke up. After that, by 6:30 she brings water from the well, and by 7:30 in the morning she cleans her house, and by 8 o'clock she will go to school. After that, at 10 o'clock she will study in the school, and by 1 o'clock afternoon she comes back from school, and at 2 o'clock she will take her lunch with her brother and grandmother. And after that she will go for a sleep for some time. She will take rest for some time. After that, by 5:30 she will play with her friends. And at 9 o'clock at night she listens to a story from her grandmother before she go for sleep. So this is the one day life of Kusum. Okay, I hope you have understood. Take out the next page. Now prepare a chart showing your own daily routine. Time of the day in words on the clock. What do you do at this time? So what you have to do? You have to prepare this or complete this in your textbook, your daily routine. In a day, what all things you will do in a day. For example, like Kusum, first one you have to write woke up in the morning. By what time you will wake up in the morning? By what time you will wake up? By 6 o'clock, 5 o'clock or 7 o'clock, whatever it is, you have to write here. You have to write in words the time. If it is 6 o'clock, write here 6 o'clock in words, and in the clock you have to draw 6 o'clock. And what do you do at this time? In this line you have to write wake up in the morning. Then after that, what you will do? You will take bath. That time you can write. You will have breakfast. You will study. You will take lunch. Then you will play. Then dinner at night or going for sleep, like that. Whatever things you do in a day, that you have to do here. Here you have to write the time in words. In words you have to write the time. You have to show in the clock the time and what you are doing by that time, that you have to fill here in these blanks provided. So this is the homework for you today. Okay, you have to do this as homework. Already you know how to complete this. You have already done in your first and second standard your daily routine. Like that you have to complete this. So this is your homework for today. So by this we have completed our lesson. Next day onwards we will start with our workbook. Till then, take care. Bye.